Hello, dear friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to use chroma key on CapCut. Let's get into the video. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut app. Select New Project. Select a photo of your choice which you want to choose as your background. Add it. Then go to the overlay option. Add overlay. Which is of a green screen video. It should be a green screen video. Well, now go to the cutout option and press the chroma key. Put the circle in the green screen. Increase its intensity. See, it's removed your background. Put on the shadow option and increase the shadow. I'm keeping it here. Well, click on the right sign and done. You can remove the ending. Now see the video. It's done. Now simply export it. Done. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like this video, please tap on the like button, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.